Hey there, Brainiacs! Welcome to today's journey through the fascinating world of our minds. Have you ever felt like your brain was, well, turning into mush? Maybe after binge-watching a series for 8 hours straight or scrolling endlessly through social media. Well, my friends, you might be experiencing a little thing we like to call brain rot. First things first, brain rot isn't a medical condition. Phew, right? But it's a term that's gained popularity to describe that sluggish, foggy feeling in your head when you've overindulged in mentally passive activities. Think of it like your brain saying, "Hey, I'm bored. Let's do something challenging." While these activities are fine in moderation, too much can leave your brain craving some nutritious mental snacks. Our brains are like muscles, they need exercise to stay sharp. When we're constantly consuming content without thinking critically or engaging deeply, we're essentially putting our brains on autopilot. And just like leaving your car idling for hours isn't great, letting your brain idle isn't either. Studies show that passive activities like scrolling social media don't activate as many areas of the brain as reading, problem-solving, or even having a meaningful conversation. So, over time, your brain's use it or lose it mechanism might kick in. Inside your brain, trillions of connections between neurons keep you thinking, learning, and remembering. When you engage in activities that challenge you, like solving puzzles, learning a new skill, or debating with a friend, you strengthen those connections. Think of it like watering a plant. The more care you give, the more it thrives. But if you're always doing the mental equivalent of sitting on the couch, those connections can weaken over time. Yikes! Now let's get practical. Here are 4 C's to keep your brain in tip-top shape. 1. Curiosity. Never stop learning. Pick up a new book, watch a documentary, or take a class. 2. Creativity. Express yourself. Whether it's painting, writing, or even cooking, creative activities stimulate your brain in powerful ways. 3. Challenge. Step out of your comfort zone. Try a new game, learn an instrument, or tackle that tricky crossword puzzle. 4. Connection. Engage with others. Meaningful conversations and social activities are like a spa day for your brain. Want to know some quick hacks? Here's the cheat sheet. Swap 10 minutes of scrolling for a walk. Try the 5-minute rule. Commit to a challenging activity for just 5 minutes. You might find yourself hooked. Play games that make you think. Chess, Sudoku, or strategy-based video games. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks while doing chores. Multitasking, anyone. Taking care of your brain isn't just about feeling sharper. It's about preserving your mental health, boosting your creativity, and even delaying cognitive decline as you age. So remember, your brain is your greatest asset. Treat it like the treasure it is. Thanks for tuning in, Brainiacs. Now go out there and give your brain the workout it deserves. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.